YouTube. In this video, we'll be taking a look at how to turn on or off Dolby Atmos on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. This will work for the S25 Ultra, S25, and the S25 Plus as well. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. So if you want to turn on or off Dolby Atmos on your S25 series of phones, thankfully it's pretty easy to do so. The first thing you want to do is actually jump into your setting. Once you're in your settings, you want to scroll down and you want to look for sound and vibration, and then from there what you want to do is hit sounds and vibration. From there what you want to do is scroll down and you want to look for sound quality and effects, and then from there what you want is use Dolby Atmos, and you can turn it on or off using the toggle switch. And there you have it, everyone. Just a quick tip on how to turn on or off Dolby Atmos for the Samsung Galaxy S25 series of phones. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.